Hi everyone, Gigi here from Dawn of Braids, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do two cute little double Dutch braids using extensions from Cliphair. Let's get to it. So I'm just going to brush my hair and then part it where I want the braids to go. Now that it's parted, I'm just going to tie off one section or one half while I do the other half. Since I want the braid to go along this line, I'm going to take a part just underneath that. I'm then going to take a 3-clip weft and clip it in, but not this way, going upwards instead. So all that hair back down carefully. Now this might feel a little uncomfortable here, but since it's being braided back, you won't feel it in the end. Remember how I said we wanted the braid to go along here, and we took it from below? Well, now we're going to take the section from above. We're then going to take a 2-clip weft, and instead of clipping it the weird way we did last time, we'll just clip it in normally. Take a very small section, split it into 3, and begin to Dutch braid. To Dutch braid, take a tiny section of hair every time you bring the strand from the other side under. Make sure to hold on to the tension throughout this braid. Once you get to the nape of your neck, you should have all the hair in the braid, so then you can just continue bringing it under and creating a plait for the end. Make sure you keep the tension going so that the braid is the same tightness the whole way down. I'm then going to take a little elastic and tie off the end of the braid. Okay, so here's both of the Dutch braids done. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this double Dutch braid tutorial, please follow me at Dawn of Braids on Instagram and Cliphair here on YouTube and Instagram as well. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye!